In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your disk is MBR or GPT in Windows. Now, here is a step-by-step tutorial as to how we can get this done. First things first, make sure that your hard drives are in. So, say for example, in my case, I have an external hard drive and I'm going to be checking that one. So, I'm going to go ahead and open the disk management. So, it's going to look like this, create and format hard disk partitions. Go ahead and open it and it's going to look like this. Now, here is the desk 0. So desk 0 is where my OS is installed. So this is very important. But again, what I'm going to check is my external hard drive. So I'm going to right click here, my external hard drive, and then open the properties. And here in the properties, we're going to click the volumes. Once we see the volumes, we should see the partition style here. And as you can see, it is GPT or GUID Partition Table. And that is how simple it is to get this done. What you can do is just close this one and proceed with the next step that you are gonna do. And congratulations everybody, that is how you are going to check if your disk is MBR or GPT here in Windows.